Welcome to our channel. Today we how to activate Google Workspace admin verification for sign-in, complete guide step by step clearly. To activate Google Workspace admin verification for sign-in, start by logging into your Google admin console. Use your administrator account to sign in. Once logged in, locate the security section in the admin console dashboard. Click on security to expand the options available. Next, select Settings within the Security menu. In the Settings section, find and click on Two-Step Verification. Enable the two-step verification by toggling the switch on. You will see several options for verification methods. Choose the method that best suits your organization's needs. Common methods include Google Authenticator app, text message, or voice call. After selecting a method, follow the on-screen prompts to set it up. Ensure that all administrators are aware of the new sign-in process. Encourage them to set up their individual verification methods. For added security, consider requiring the verification for all users. To enforce this policy, navigate back to the two-step verification settings. Enable the enforcement option to make it mandatory. Communicate any changes clearly to your team. Finally, test the setup by signing out and signing back in. This ensures that the verification process is working as intended. Make sure to monitor for any user feedback or issues during the transition. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.